Hi everybody and welcome to the BernieP cooking show. It's the cooking time, it's cooking hour. Okay, let me go this way so you can see me. What am I making today? I'm making spaghetti. I have to turn this down because my boy wants me to go see. He's playing some Minecraft. What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, that is really stupid.
What?
Daddy, look at that. Whoa. Now I'm going 1, 2, 3. Put that, fast.
Oh my God.
And I don't want to die.
Okay, don't die. Okay? Alright. So, today we're making a little bit of spaghetti. I have just a little bit of sauce, but we're going to add all kinds of ingredients. Look, just a little tiny bit. So, right here you can see that I'm preparing the meat for the sauce. I added the garlic, the fresh garlic chopped. It smells so delicious. Now I want to add some onion, but my wife, she does not like the onion. So I have to separate the meat, put the onion my half, and give her the other half so she can put it in her macaroni and cheese. Yes, we're eating leftovers today, except for the meat part. So that's it. The meat looks like it's cooked. I'm boiling the water for the spaghetti. I love spaghetti. And my kid is psycho today on the Xbox. My oldest one is at the grandparents to give us a little bit of a break because it is crazy in this maison with the two of the youngsters. Alright, so that part is done. Now I have to prepare the onion. You see, I already kind of started cutting it. This we can put away because we don't need it anymore. There's all kinds of leftovers in here.
I can really die.
Alright. You could really die. So now I have to wait for the water to boil before I put the spaghetti in the water.
Okay, now I stop right here.
And to help the spaghetti have a little bit of flavor.
No, I'm gonna die.
Okay, you're gonna die.
No.
You're gonna die. Did I put on the wrong burner? Yes,
No.
I did.
Don't let me go in the lava.
I put on the wrong burner. Oh my goodness.
This lava is stupid.
He's gone crazy.
I'm gonna stupid.
He's kind of stupid. He's kind of stupid. Alright. Next procedure. Alright, so we're cutting up the onion. I know, I'm doing a crazy cooking show here.
Oh my God. Did you go to the mail?
I went to the mail.
Nothing.
Nothing. I know, I'm waiting for my masks to come in.
No, I don't want my coral going on fire.
So for those of you who don't know how to cut an onion, you do it like so, okay? You cut it in half, and you always make sure that the hard part...
Can I come and see my coral?
Oh my God!
My coral is going on fire.
I am cutting an onion. I cannot see portals or Hero Brian's or starfish. I am busy cutting the onion. See you chop it like that, so like so.
You're doing a video?
I'm doing a cooking video. What you hit me for?
Why are you doing a video cooking?
Because I like to make a video and people like to watch my cooking show.
Oh my God. I could really die here. At this place, I could die.
I don't like the harder part, so I get rid of it. Yes, I guess comme ça. Yeah. And this we put in
I'm gonna really die at this.
in a Ziploc so it doesn't stick in the refrigerator. Alright, we put it in the refrigerator.
My other thing is on fire.
Oh my God!
It's on fire.
It's on fire!
Yeah, and that is the place
Okay, I need my towel.
Hey, and the plate, the red.
Okay, and now I turn back on my oven, my stove top, and I put the onions.
Make videos.
I want to keep making the videos. They make my friends and followers very happy.
They're not happy.
No, right now they're not happy because I don't make another video. You stir it in.
Right, now,
Why is my water for my spaghetti not boiling? Oh my god, everything's gonna be ready before the sauce.
okay.
Okay, so I have a little bit of sauce here. I'm gonna save for after. I must cook my onion. I might have to add a little bit of oil.
And after, put the TNT.
The TNT. We should do a Minecraft cooking show. Well, technically we are. You're playing Minecraft and I'm doing a cooking show. But we should do a Minecraft cooking show. Dressed up like Minecraftians. And we do dishes that you would only get in Minecraft. Like pumpkin pie or mushroom stew. Or now we can make a beetroot stew. I don't like a beetroot stew. Okay. And we go to next procedure in the spaghetti sauce. Okay, now we add the special ingredient. We added the tomato sauce into the pan. We're going to let it simmer. Ah, yes. Ah, it smells so good. Gotta get it all out for the sauce. There we go.
Oh my god. I'm gonna really die.
It's gonna really die.
Yeah, I don't wanna die.
And then we just reduce the heat so we don't make the sauce burn because the tomatoes can burn. Very low. It's gonna be a really thick sauce. I think I'm gonna add some leftover tomato soup, but that's left in the fridge.
Now good luck.
This is gonna make it even better. Oh yes. It's gonna be like a Chef Boyardee. I need to dirty another spoon. There.
Then I'm gonna die.
Now we mix it some more.
But now I'm gonna fly like a pig.
You want to fly like a pig? Only when the pigs fly.
Oh my gosh.
So this is like a very thick sauce. It's coming like a, what you call it? How you say it in English? A sandwich. It's kind of like that. A lot of meat, a lot of vegetables, a little bit of sauce, very thick. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It smells, it tastes so good. Alright, so now we're ready for the next procedure, which is to prepare.
I'm on fire. I can fly, but it's this one. I can fly, and it's this one.
Okay, now we prepare the pasta.
This one's so hard, but
This is the pasta. Can you see me?
I'm so sorry.
And then you take the pasta like so, and then you throw it in the water. Come, sir.
And my friend, and that friend.
Now I like a little bit extra pasta so that I can have some leftovers maybe tomorrow.
What is that?
Oh my god. There.
I'll go with that.
Now all we have to do is wait for the spaghetti to cook, and then we add everything together, and then we eat. Okay? I'll be back in a second once I prepare. Okay. Ciao bella. Okay, so now we drain the pasta. Right, sweetie? Huh? We drain the pasta, and then we put the pasta on the plate. So I show you how to drain the pasta, okay? Can you see my sink is here? It says, I can't really tell because everything is upside down. There we go. Alright. Seeing that the strainer is already dirty, I'm going to use the lid to strain the pasta. It is very hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. Because when you're gorgeous like me, you do not want to hurt your face.
I hurt myself.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's going on fire.
Look at all of that pasta. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to put some pasta on a plate. Like so.
I'm going to put it on fire. I'm going on fire.
So we take a plate with the pasta scooper, the pooper scooper. We put some pasta. Now, if you like me, it doesn't matter how much you put on. It's all good. It's good for your health. There we go. And then we're taking some of the spaghetti sauce that we made. Look at that. Oh, I will show you a picture of what it looks like. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Looks amazing. It's good enough to eat, I think. Let's see if we have some Parmesan in the fridge. We have no Parmesan in the fridge, you know. But we need some juice. Because water is very bad for you. Water is very bad. You always must have something like juice. Okay, I'm gonna go sit at the table and we're gonna eat together, okay? Let's go eat outside because it's nice and cool outside. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, so we get to sit down and eat some of the spaghetti and we're gonna taste it to see if it tastes good. I'm 100% sure that the spaghetti is delicious, so... Oh, I must take off my glasses because I get steamed and now teary-eyed. It's a little bit hot for the mouth, but it's delicious. So I'd like to thank you for coming and checking out my cooking show. I will have a cooking show every week for the rest of my life. And if you like, come to my Patreon page and help support my Patreon and my creativeness. Oh yes, I love it. I love the cooking. Next time we're gonna cook some escargot and maybe a little bit of frog along with it. We're gonna go catch some frog fresh with the children, and we come back and we cut their heads off and we cook them. All right. Thank you very much for coming, and I hope you see you again. Cheers.